I'm on page 13, and we have two more circle formulas to look at, and that is radius and circumference. Radius is labeled with a lowercase r, and here is the definition of radius. Radius is the distance, let's call it the linear distance or the straight distance, from the center of a circle to any point on the circle. Radius is 1/2 of the diameter. And here is an example. If you draw yourself a circle, put your center point in there, and then go from the center to any point on the circle, you will have a radius. Radius is 1/2 of a diameter. So you can have radius anywhere from the center out. And just for your knowledge, 1 is a radius. More than 1, any number more than 1, is radii. And let me highlight, these are the radii of the circle, 1/2 the diameter. Circumference is the linear distance around a circle. If it's an angular shape, we call that perimeter. The linear distance around a circle. So if this is your circle, I always like to see the center point. A circle is named by its center, by the way. Circumference is this linear distance, that's too big, the linear distance around the circle. So if you're looking at revolutions of a wheel, you're looking at circumference. And circumference can be found by multiplying pi times d, or 2 times pi times r. You can use either diameter or radius to do circumference. I tend to use pi times d.